Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I'm here today to show you the ZX5 built by Tige Boats. This boat in particular is my personal favorite to surf behind. It throws a monster of a wave. In the back you can see it's got a nice big surf locker. You can fit 3, sometimes 4 boards depending on what style boards you have. Follow me, I'll show you a little bit more features that I like about the ZX5. So it comes stock with the ZX5. You get the 3,000 pound subfloor ballast along with plug and plays, which adds another 1,500 pounds in the back. Creates a huge wave. Underneath here to power all that weight, you've got the 460 6.2 liter built by Inmar. Plenty of power to get you, if you have a full boat, 15 people out here, loaded down ballast systems, you're gonna get up no problem. Here you've got the observer seat that flips backwards. You could use it as a table if you want to. You've also got backrest right here. So you have full stadium seating. One thing Tige does really well of is their through storage all the way from the transom to the front up on the amplifiers. You've got storage, you can put slalom skis, wake surfs, even wakeboards you can fit down there. Comes standard with the ZX5 for Tige this year is the E2 electric power tower system. There's a switch back there that you turn on and it folds down electronically. You've got RGB LEDs that come up the tower blades into the speaker rings. And while we're talking about the speaker rings, I might as well add around the speaker rings and with the speakers that you get right out of the box is the industry-leading marine audio manufacturer Wet Sounds. They come standard in all the Tiges. As you can see, we've got a soft pack Yeti Cooler that comes with the ZX5. You can store that down in here. There's a trash can here. I really like this. It keeps cup holders empty whenever you're out having fun drinking your waters. You drop it right down in here into the trash can. Keeps the clutter out of the boat. And again, with the ZX series, you have your battery switch conveniently located in the glove box, making it really easy to keep your batteries hot after you're done using your boat for the day. You've got the smart wheel here, so you can spin the wheel and you can see that the controller does not move. You can control the cruise control, surf settings, your volume control, and change your tracks for your stereo. Here is your 10.5 inch screen to navigate all of your controls. It's got GPS, everything you need to just go out and surf, have a good time. You have the 10.5 inch screen here to navigate all your needs for whenever you're out there with your family. You've got a spring-loaded cell phone holder here next to the audio port, the auxiliary port, and the USB port. You've got USB ports all throughout here so everybody can keep their phones charged up. Guys, thanks again for checking this out with me today. We'd love to have you out. Again, this has Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia and Tige Boats. So come on, check it out. We'll get out there and go surfing.